right, yeah, so just try to follow me. Put it down pretty far.
Actually, hold on. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll follow you, like,
okay.
right on you. Pretty good, yeah.
Okay. I got Kaz recording me going.
Cool.
So I'm gonna let you go for a while, then we'll shoot down and catch up with you.
Okay.
Does that work?
Yeah, because then you can see me with my phone.
Yeah.
Perfect.
That's the idea. We'll stay behind you.
Great.
Yeah, follow that green sign wherever that leads to.
Snowshoe, you're off to the right.
Keep on the right and you'll be good.
Yep.
Okay.
You're looking good though.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah, you
working
are.
on it. So I'm going a little bit faster than I like.
Yeah, so starting with the pizza and going into parallel, which is like a progression thing.
Yeah, okay.
So that's called like a stem turn, I guess. But no, that's perfectly fine.
Yep.
That's what I think I used to do for like weeks and weeks.
Yeah, it is.
So.
It is. Yeah, that's just she knows where she's at, so.
Yeah.
Alright, ready to go?
Yep.
Work? So, me and Kaz are going to go around this turn over here.
Okay.
Are you okay going around this turn by yourself?
Are you good with just going around and meeting us at the bottom?
I think so.
Top of Little Cat?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, I can just stay back and make sure you get through and...
Yeah, we'll go up there and walk.
Okay.
Follow those kids over there.
Okay.
Around the bed. Girl
Cool.
in the pink, follow her.
All right. I'm
And
gonna
it's
take a break.
softened up a bit more.
What?
Oh yeah, it's definitely softer.
It's
Okay.
a lot softer. It's a lot
Okay.
nicer now.
Cool.
Yeah, that was still fun.
All right. I'm gonna pizza around the corner still.
Yep,
but-
yep.
Yeah, oh yeah, just keep her around the corner.
Sorry.
There you go.
There you go. Nice. Oh, yeah, he's definitely ready for needles as long as he has the stamina for it. Okay.
I think I did better that time though.
Yeah, you did very
Oh
good.
yeah.
Yeah, you're definitely improving. So having you go down Becker is making your form improve a lot. It's challenging you, I think.
Really?
Yeah.